Can you believe that an old refrigerator, abandoned for years and covered in dust and cobwebs, could be transformed into a powerful welding machine? Most people saw it as worthless junk and suggested selling it for scrap. Even the young man's family questioned why he brought such a broken appliance home. But he knew that hidden inside were valuable components waiting for a second life. The project began with a complete disassembly of the refrigerator. Among the recovered parts was a useful iron core that would become the heart of the new machine. To build the welding system, the young man used a round tube as a mold and carefully wrapped copper wire around it again and again, creating a large coil by hand. Once finished, he secured the coil with tape to keep it strong and stable. Next, the newly wound copper coil was mounted onto the iron core and tightened carefully using simple tools. As the assembly took shape, it started to resemble the electromagnetic systems found inside professional welding equipment. The wiring stage came next. Red and black wires were connected to the coil, while a power cable was attached to provide electricity. The entire assembly was mounted onto a sturdy support structure, and every connection was adjusted and secured to ensure stability and safety. Then came the moment everyone was waiting for: the test. The young man plugged in the machine and activated the power. Instantly, bright welding sparks appeared as an electric arc formed at the center of the coil. To demonstrate its capability, he brought two pieces of metal together. Within seconds, the intense heat melted the joint and fused the metal securely. Sparks flew through the air, and the homemade machine performed surprisingly well. What started as an old refrigerator destined for the scrapyard had been transformed into a functional welding machine through creativity, skill, and determination. If you enjoy DIY inventions, scrap metal recycling, welding projects, and amazing workshop creations, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible transformations.